Did you know that 95% of micro entrepreneurs, micro enterprises who are actually doing less than 5 crores of business are struggling with their business model? They pick up the idea, they try to solve a certain problem, they are actually struggling every day, putting in a lot of efforts, time and energy in their business, but still they are struggling with some of the key elements of the business, like for example, acquiring the customers, delivering the products and services to the target customers consistently, and finally at the end of the day making profits. The biggest problem today with MSMEs is, especially in a micro enterprise level, where the business owner has a less than 5 crores turnover in a year, the top line is less than 5 crores. The people are so obsessed, the entrepreneurs are so obsessed with the business models they are actually having, that they don't want to change anything. I would like to share those key reasons why people are struggling, why entrepreneurs are struggling, why they are not able to really make profits in their businesses, and they are not able to scale their business, they are not able to grow their business. There are some reasons which I'm going to share with you in this video, and I'm sure that this video is going to be of some value to all of you who are listening to me, who are probably the solopreneurs or micro and small enterprises who are into any kind of business for that matter. You may be in manufacturing, you may be a service organization, you may be a distributor, you may be a trader, you may be a professional service provider, you may be anybody for that matter. But the point I'm trying to draw here is that you have to actually recreate your business model so that it works for you, so that you make profits at the end of the month, at the end of the year. This is the main reason why I'm sharing this video with you. Let me just share with you a couple of slides to show you exactly what I'm trying to communicate here. See here, if you see that there are different types of business models which are available today on the internet. You can go and search for different type of business models, but one of the best business model template which I have been using and teaching my students, and helping them to really recreate their business model, is the business model canvas by Alexander Osterwald. This man has actually given us this beautiful model. It's a 9-block model which is working wonders for a lot of entrepreneurs across the globe. Let me tell you, most of our entrepreneurs in India are struggling because they don't go back to the drawing board and check whether their business model is working or not. I'm going to share with you some of the ways how you can actually go back and sit with your teams, or probably sit alone and try to do and reinvent your business model once again, so that it is relevant to the market. You are actually identifying the right target customer. You are able to attract the customer and acquire a customer for your business, and do everything within the business which is required to be done. But the only thing is that you don't have to struggle. You don't have to really firefighting. You don't have to do a firefighting every day, and you do not have to really run your business in losses. There is no point in doing business if your business is running in losses. It's my experience of last 26 years in business consulting and coaching industry that I've been always saying that you have to make your business scalable and profitable. Otherwise, there's no point in doing business. And all those people who are actually focusing on their profitability, they're focusing on how much they are making at the end of the month or at the end of the year. How much money are you actually making for yourself and for your business or for your lifestyle, is the basic question you should ask yourself. I would like to share with you that what is this business model all about. Now, listen to me very carefully, because this is going to be very helpful to you to transform your business, in just one day. For example, it's like introspection, it's like reflection. I want you guys to really reflect on your business model which you are running today, and make it successful, make it scalable, make it disruptive, make it profitable at the end of the day. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to whatever idea you have to actually check once again that what kind of problem you are solving. It's not a question of how much service or how much price you are commanding for your product and service, but it is more important is that how much value you are creating in the market. So first of all, you have to capture the value from the market. You have to understand and probably really redo the research and try to see that what is your target customer actually wanting, and you have to create and you have to capture that value. Once you capture that value, once you understand that what value you are going to provide to that customer or that target audience, then you create that value through your products and services. You have to create world-class products and services and deliver that value, that unique value proposition to your audience, to your target customer. And then once you create that in terms of products and services, and then you deliver them. Now there has to be a extremely strong way of supply chain, how you actually deliver that value to the customer at the right time when your customer needs that. So this is something which you need to first of all understand. This is the basic thing, that you have to capture value, create value, and deliver value. Next, what you have to do is you have to check whether your business model is really working or not. If it is not working, that means if it is working, that means you are actually growing, you are scaling, and you are making your profits at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, at the end of the year. And if you are not actually achieving those targets, your goals, then that means your business model has a problem. So what you need to do is you have to remodel the business to make it disruptive, scalable, and profitable. So what needs to be done is you have to go back to the drawing board and check what is what makes you different than your competition. So how you are different than your competition is the first value proposition you have to deliver to the market and to your target customer. And then obviously you have to check once you identify your differentiator, then you have to really weigh your stuff around, and you have to see that what value you are delivering to your customer, right? And then you have 3 C's on the right side and 3 K's on the left side of your business model. So what does these 3 C's mean? First one is the customer segments. You have to go back and check how many customer segments are you going to serve. Are you actually targeting the right customers or not? You have to go and check and probably do some market research and really identify what is the demography of your customer, what is the customer profile, what kind of gender, what kind of age group, or whether it is the consumer, the domestic consumer, or it is a B2B, like it's a business customer. Who is the customer? So you have to first of all identify the customer segments, and you have to list them down, in a very scientific manner. The second one is the channels. What kind of channels are there you have established to really reach out to your customer, make them aware, and then deliver your services to that customer. So those channels of not only the supply chain, not only the delivery mechanism, but right from beginning, how you are making them aware about yourself, how you are best known to the market you are going to cater. And then once you have the customers, once you have the channels established, then you have to really look into the customer relationship. That is very important. Once you acquire one customer, then you have to actually see that how you can actually serve that customer for lifetime. You have to convert your customers for lifetime. You have to keep on serving them. So customer relationship is very important. You have to nurture that customer for a longer period of time so that that customer comes back to you again and again. Right? Then we have 3 Ks. Now 3 Ks are key activities, key partners, and key resources. What are the key activities? That is the capability you have, the core competence you have as a business. So for example, if you are manufacturing auto component for an OEM, or you are actually a professional service provider and you are a doctor, or you are an architect, you are an interior designer, what is your key activity? You have to identify or probably review it once again and really model it around the niche which you are going to carry forward. Like, what is your personal niche and what is your business niche? You have to actually figure it out completely, and you have to be very clear about it. The next one is the key partners, the vendors, the suppliers, the associates, the people who are actually involved in your ecosystem of your business. You have to identify them very well. And then finally, you have to look into your key resources. Now, key resources can be your people, can be your infrastructure, can be finance, can be your IP, can be your brand, can be your any other resource which you are providing, to really convert your input to the output, to the for the customer. So these key resources you have to check once again and see that who are these resources, what are these resources you are going to provide, and you have to build a system around those resources to make them more optimally utilized. So that is where the 3Ks are going to be looked into. Then we have something called revenue streams from the customers you have identified, and cost structures where you are going to incur a cost in actually converting your idea into a product and service and deliver it to the customer. So these are 9 elements of your business model, which you can actually go back to your drawing board, really check what is that, where you are going wrong. You probably have to go back and really improve your business model and make it more relevant to the market you want to cater. Now, one of the examples I want to share with you, that when you are going to build your unique value proposition, how you are different, why people should buy your product, why customers should buy your product. Once you identify your value proposition, and you have to build it around the advantage you are giving to your customer, right? So what are the advantages? Advantage can be the price advantage, it can be design advantage, it can be status advantage, it can be accessibility advantage, it can be any of these things, which you can see here on the slide. And you have to draw a single, clean, compelling message that states why you are different and worth buying. Now, this is something which is very important. You may be into any business for that matter. You have to actually So similarly, for each of those other 8 elements, this is one element out of those 9 elements, but for each and every element, you have to actually go back and check whether everything is in place or not. And if you need to change something, please change it quickly. And for that, I would like all of you to really come to my webinar, which I conduct every week. There's a link in the pinned comment here. You can actually go and register yourself, and you can actually like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be really happy to have you in my masterclass on profitable business mastery, where I teach you each and every aspect of how you can actually build a very profitable business model, and how you can actually recreate your mindset and improve your maturity as a business owner to really deal with the challenges you are facing today in your business. And I'm telling you that once you do all of this, you will be able to really take your business to the next level. You need not to struggle. I'm once again repeating, you need not to struggle. You need not to always lose your competitive edge in the market. You are not supposed to really make losses. You're not supposed to be inefficient in your operations. You have to be leading through the whole process. You are a business leader. You are not a manager. So you have to take action as quickly as possible. And one of the important things which you can do immediately is you can actually reinvent your business model. I can tell you one thing, that once you do this and take action to really change and reinvent your business model, you will see a tremendous change in next 3 to 6 months, in your business. So I wish you all the best. I want you to really go back and look into your business model, what you are having today, and just take action and move ahead. And I'm always there to really help you out in identifying the solutions to your problems. So for that, you have to be part of my community. There's a link below. Join that. Join my webinar. Join my course, and I will actually help you in taking your business to the next level. My name is Vinod K. Pandita. I'm the business transformation coach and profitability specialist. It has been 26 years that I'm into the space of consulting and training and coaching, and I have trained more than 5,000 entrepreneurs in my career. I have worked with more than 1,000 SMEs, in the country and in the other parts of the world. So I will be more than happy that you connect with me, you come to my webinar and join me at different platforms on social media. I'll be more than happy to help you all. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to me. I will come back again in the next video. Just keep watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.